myself Junaid. I am studying in 7th grade in Sharda Public School. My friend name is Chetan. First of all, my topic name is electricity of wind. Wind will produce energy go to transformer and going to transformer. This electricity will be like connect these wires and electrical energy. Electricity getting will be current. Materials required: battery cap, wire, light. How does wind work? I explain. Wind turbine operates on a simple principle of wind energy into mechanical energy. The wind energy go to electricity of light. When the wind will blow, the electricity will blow when the light blow. A wind turbine operates on a simple principle, base principle of every kinetic energy into mechanical energy of the generate electricity.
Myself Janaka Sudhi. I am studying in 7th grade in Sharda Public School. So today my topic is human body organs. So there are 5 major organs present in the human body: brain, heart, lungs, liver and kidneys. Other organs include the pancreas, gallbladder and the stomach. The nervous system supports these organs, which is good to our health. The person can't survive without these organs. To survive, these organs are important for the human. So brain is the control system, control center of our body. By processing, sending, influencing, creating, by it working is start. The brain has main 3 subparts: cerebrum, cerebellum and the brainstem. Heart is the most important organ of the circulatory system because it circulates the blood all over the body. It has mainly 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are called artery and the lower 2 chambers are called ventricle. These are the lungs. The lungs are the main important organ of the respiratory system. They help to oxygenate blood. They do this by extracting oxygen from the inhaled air and exhaling carbon dioxide from the exhaling air. So this is the liver. The liver is the most important organ of the metabolic system. By it is also plays every role in the every organic systems because it produces the nutrients and it turns the nutrients into usable substances. Thank you.
My topic is electricity. For materials required: battery, DC motor, copper wire, and lamp and lights. Wind is used for producing electricity through wind. It comes under the category of wind energy. Windmill is largest structure. Windmill is a mechanical device, and the windmill is usually placed on the highways and mountains.
The electricity is the important source to many applications. The electricity is playing an important role in our life. Electricity gives the light energy to the world. If we will lose the electricity, we will also lose the lights.
In 7th grade, my topic is board mass. Board mass stands for bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. The board mass is used to explain the order of operation of a mathematical expression. In some regions, the board mass is also pet mass, which stands for parent versus exponents, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Board mass means B for bracket, minus, small bracket, lower bracket, big bracket. O for off, D for division, N for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Example of problem in board mass. First, remove the small bracket. 6 minus 2, 4. Again, small bracket remove. 7 minus 4, 3. Now, flower bracket remove. 9 minus 3, 6. Now, big bracket remove. 12 minus 6, 6. 14 minus 6. Answer is 8. Thank you.
Myself, I am studying in 7th grade with my friend Abhishek. Today our our topic is about geometric path. In our path, there are many types of symbols like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, HCF, formulas, bar graph, and there are many types of angles like acute angle, right angle, left angle, reflex angle, acute angle. And the full form of HCF is least common factor, and HCM full form is least common method.
And the formula of mean is sum of the value, number of the value. And the basic part of the maths, addition, subtraction, multiplication, these are the basic part of the maths.
And I confusion my words with these symbols. We can use wherever like schools, office, maths, wherever like, and education is a powerful weapon which we can change the world. Thank you.
Myself, Sanatha Sudhi. I am studying in 7th grade in Shara Public School, Bengaluru. Today my topic is Advanced Technology Railway Station. Aim: to provide safe and comfortable journey for the old people. The automatic level crossing system is an enhanced safety device to make the elderly people and go safely in the train. So this is a barrier which is very safe for the elderly people. Components required: the IR sensor. IR sensor detect the approaching train. 10 core wire used for connecting the materials. And this is the relay module which is responsible for the connecting the dual side gear motor and the single side gear motor, responsible for the opening and closing of the barrier. This is the single relay module which used to approach the train and within the buzzer. These are the main batteries which is connected to this project to supply the power. This is the single side gear motor which places the single movement in the one direction. This is the dual side gear motor which provides movement in dual direction. These are the 4-volt batteries which provides the safety for all the people. These are not harmful. These are the acidic batteries. The IR sensor placed near the railway tracks to enhance the safety of the people, which sense the approaching train coming from the specific within a range. This is a dual channel relay module which is responsible for the opening and closing of the barrier, in which the people will settle down here and they will go to the second platform, and the people is to come from the second platform to first platform. They will tie in the barrier and they will come from this. LED indicator. LED indicator are used to provide visual indicator. For example, a red LED can illuminate when the barrier is closed. Next, audio alert. The fire buzzer can emit an audio alert to inform nearby pedestrian and that passenger is going to the barrier is closing. Next, enhances safety. Automatic level crossing system. By ensuring that this barrier is closed. Conical connects in LR. This system is particularly benefit for the old passengers. Now we see the working of the model. So when the train comes, the barrier will be open and it will be come from this platform. So now the LED indicator will be on. The train will go, then all the passengers will be alert, then the buzzer will turn on. The light on. These are the advanced technology railway station. Thank you.
Myself, Rajendra. I am from 7th grade. My topic is chemistry equipment with my friend Prem. Repeated dropper are used to, and eyedropper is simply dropper is used to devise air liquids. Test tube are widely used by chemists to hold mixed heat and insulators. Chinadis are thick and are good insulators, withstand high temperatures. Glass spatula brands and also resistance to acid, base and heat temperatures. Funnel flask can be used for making solution or holding electric containing or sometimes elementary measuring chemical solutions, samples, etc. Test tube holder test tube holder is used to hold the test tube. It is used for holding the test tube in place when the tube is hot or should not touched.
Borosilicate glass. Borosilicate glass is a type of a glass with silica and perovskite as the main glass forming constituent shape. Next, plastic funnel. A funnel is a tube or pipe that is top and narrow neck. It is used to gilding liquid or powder into a small opening. Next, conical flask. Conical flask has a bold base and narrow neck. It is better for mixing without spillage than beaker. Next, beaker. Beaker is a large drinking cup or glass with a wide mouth. Next, serviceable tongue. Serviceable tongue is scissor-like tools instead of having two blades. Glass jar. Glass jar had hard, transparent substance that is zinc used for such as window and bottles. Thank you.
Myself, Samir, I am studying in science. My topic is how does the alarm clock make sound when the electric circuit will complete?
Material required copper clip, battery, razor, copper wire, cap, battery.
Now we take form base B1, SG1, SG2 and SG3. We should arrange in this manner. Take a copper wire and bend it according to you, and take a battery attached to battery wire, and take a buzzer and attach the battery wire to buzzer wire, and when buzzer wire attached to the connection wire, after you attach the paper clip. When the paper clip attached to the copper wire, it makes sound because of the electric circuit will completely pass it. Now the electric circuit will broken. We touch when we touch it will sound.
Myself, I am studying in 7th grade. My friend name is Ashik. My topic is types of line segment. Point the most fundamental object in geometry. Segment. Any of the point into which a thing is divided are naturally spread. Line. A beginning of the surface that into which a part of the line one having point that moves forward. Then a path in direction surface that along infinity path.
Collinear point that lie on a same straight line or in a single line. Non-collinear point being a sources of polygon such as runoff for line that is not continuous to each other. Parallel line that is not interest to meet each other at any point in a place. Interesting line that is not meet each other at any point. Convenient coordinate line that is not 2D geometrical at any point of each other at 2D geometrical.
Myself and also I am studying in St. in Shadapur School. My topic is laboratory glass thermometer. Laboratory glass thermometer is total used in laboratories place where scientists perform different type of experiments and measure things. A laboratory thermometer can measure temperature very closely. A laboratory has a long stem with a silver bulb at the end. Mercury becomes bigger as the temperature becomes hotter, but mercury is a poison to humans. Mercury laboratory thermometer gives result very closely during experiments. Thank you.
Studying in 7th grade today, I am going to explain why do we see reflection in a magnetic compass magnetic near a electrical line. I am explaining about electrical current is produced a magnetic effect. The magnetic effect of electrical current is known as electromagnetic effect. When electrical current passes through a wire, current carry the wire away like a magnet. Materials. Battery cap, copper wire, compass. Take a copper wire and compass. Wrap the copper wire and copper wire. Wrap the copper wire around the compass. Note the direction of needle. Connect both end of the copper wire
both end of the copper wire to battery cap. Fix the battery cap on the battery. Thank you. Compass is both near a electrical current carry. Connect the needle of the compass. Get deflection before of the full of electrical. This prevents the electrical current causes differences of the magnetic field.
My topic name is Q2. Q2 is a number obtained by multiplying a particular number by itself 3 times by Q2. Multiplying a given number elements of Q2.
Good morning everyone, welcome to Karuna Studying 7th lesson. Shara School in Bhagavati. Today I wanted to explain about concave. Before that I wanted to tell about concave. A concave is a mechanism which is a transport to our distance. A material required to cut out of cut pencil piece.
Take a zero and easy to attach it to the pencil. Take the end of the long root paper cut pencil. Now attach it to the CR1, CR2, CR3, CR4, CR6, CR7, CR8, CR10 according to the method of just through the method of attaching to CR1 cut pencil. My topic hydra is a plant that are very similar. There are trees, area tendencies to the erosion tendencies to the largest number of growing up to 1 by 2 inches in diameter, 3 by 4 to 5 by 4 inches long.